Hello, Professor. My name is Walkeria Davis. My project is based on mental health, specifically mental health of children, because I noticed that there are so many suicides among children, and I think it's because they have not been diagnosed with any level of depression. I noticed that they don't really screen kids for depression unless they have a physical, and then the form that the doctor's office usually hands off to these children isn't exactly thorough, and it's not really gauging to see where their mental status is at the present moment. So my project, I really wanted it to surround mental health and mentorship for these children, and also bridging the gap where parents aren't able to attain certain information in order to help their children in their time of need, in their situation that they're going through. I guess my questions would be, should I go to like a local mental health clinic to see what type of forms they use to ask these questions and try to formulate my own? Um, do I need to have like privacy forms for people to fill out for this service? Should it involve HIPAA? Should everything technically involve HIPAA if it's just a community-based program? And how does one really get sponsorship for something like this? I'm not really sure. Thanks for listening.